Welcome to the world of small-scale cattle feed manufacturing, where innovation meets agriculture to provide nutritious feed for livestock across the nation. Every day, millions of cattle depend on quality feed for their growth, health, and productivity, making cattle feed manufacturing a crucial industry. Starting a small-scale cattle feed manufacturing business requires understanding both the raw materials and machinery that form the backbone of this essential industry. From simple mixed feeds to scientifically formulated pellets, the cattle feed industry has evolved to meet the diverse nutritional needs of livestock.
Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about raw materials, machinery, and processes involved in setting up your own cattle feed manufacturing unit. Then, precision machinery processes it.
With the growing demand for dairy and meat products, the cattle feed manufacturing sector presents tremendous opportunities for small-scale entrepreneurs. While traditional feeding methods still exist, manufactured cattle feed offers consistency, nutritional balance, and cost-effectiveness that farmers increasingly prefer. The journey from raw materials to finished feed involves several critical steps, each requiring specific equipment and technical knowledge.
Starting small doesn't mean compromising on quality. With proper planning, an investment ranging from 15 to 20 lakhs can establish a viable feed manufacturing unit.
Quality control, regulatory compliance, and understanding animal nutrition are equally important as having the right machinery and raw materials. Maize or corn serves as the primary energy source in cattle feed, providing easily digestible carbohydrates essential for milk production and weight gain. Wheat and wheat bran are excellent energy sources, offering both carbohydrates and moderate protein levels, commonly used in dairy cattle formulations. Barley, though less common than maize, provides quality energy and is particularly beneficial for beef cattle requiring controlled weight gain. Molasses serves dual purposes as an energy source and palatability enhancer, binding feed ingredients while providing readily available sugars for cattle. Rice bran, a byproduct of rice milling, offers both energy and fat content, making it a cost-effective ingredient especially in rice-producing regions. Sorghum or jowar serves as an excellent alternative to maize in drought-prone areas, providing similar energy levels at competitive prices. Broken rice, often available at lower costs, can constitute up to 15% of cattle feed formulations as an energy ingredient. Testing energy sources for moisture content, fungal contamination, and nutritional value is crucial before incorporating them into feed formulations. Proper storage of energy-rich grains prevents spoilage, maintains nutritional value, and ensures year-round availability for continuous production.
Understanding seasonal price fluctuations of energy ingredients helps manufacturers optimize formulations and maintain profit margins throughout the year.
Soybean meal stands as the gold standard of protein sources, containing 45 to 50% protein with excellent amino acid profiles for cattle.
Cottonseed cake, a byproduct of cotton oil extraction, provides economical protein ranging from 22 to 25% with good palatability.
Groundnut cake offers high-quality protein along with beneficial fats, though its availability varies seasonally in different agricultural regions. Sunflower seed cake presents an alternative protein source with moderate protein levels and fiber content suitable for ruminant digestion.
Rapeseed or mustard cake provides good protein content but requires proper processing to reduce anti-nutritional factors before use.
Fish meal, though expensive, offers superior protein quality and is sometimes used in specialty feeds for high-producing dairy cattle.
DDGS, a byproduct of ethanol production, has emerged as a cost-effective protein and energy source, gaining popularity in cattle feed formulations.
Different protein sources vary not just in protein percentage but also in digestibility, amino acid composition, and cost-effectiveness for various cattle categories. Testing protein sources for protein content, urea adulteration, and aflatoxin contamination protects both cattle health and manufacturer reputation. Strategic blending of multiple protein sources often delivers better nutritional balance and cost optimization than relying on a single protein ingredient. Mineral mixtures containing calcium, phosphorus, zinc, copper, and other trace elements are essential for bone development, reproduction, and overall cattle health. Common salt provides essential sodium and chloride, regulating fluid balance and supporting various metabolic functions in cattle physiology. Limestone, dicalcium phosphate, and bone meal serve as calcium sources, particularly critical for dairy cattle producing large quantities of calcium-rich milk. Vitamin premixes supplement fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins that may be deficient in other feed ingredients, ensuring complete nutrition.
Urea, when used judiciously in ruminant feeds, provides non-protein nitrogen that cattle convert into protein through their unique digestive system.
Toxin binders protect cattle from mycotoxins present in grains and oilseed cakes, preventing health issues and production losses. Probiotics improve gut health and digestion, while enzymes enhance nutrient availability, representing advanced additions to modern cattle feed formulations. Antioxidants like BHT and BHA preserve feed quality during storage by preventing fat oxidation and maintaining nutritional value. Palatability enhancers and flavoring agents encourage feed intake, particularly important when introducing new formulations or using less palatable ingredients. Microingredients, though small in quantity, require precise measurement as both deficiency and excess can negatively impact cattle health and performance. The receiving section, equipped with weighbridges and quality testing facilities, ensures accurate inventory and quality verification of incoming raw materials. Grain cleaning machines remove dust, stones, and foreign materials, protecting downstream equipment and ensuring feed quality from the very first step. Magnetic separators extract metallic contaminants that could damage expensive machinery or pose serious health risks to cattle consuming the feed. Proper storage infrastructure, with separate bins for different ingredients, prevents cross-contamination and maintains the identity and quality of each raw material. Automated batching systems ensure accurate proportioning of ingredients, critical for consistent feed quality. Real-time monitoring and automated printing verify the batch, ensuring precision and documentation. The hammer mill represents the workhorse of feed grinding, pulverizing grains and cakes to optimal particle size for mixing and digestion. Interchangeable screens allow manufacturers to adjust particle size based on cattle age and feed type, from fine powder to coarse grind.
Cyclone separators collect ground material and separate dust, improving workplace air quality and recovering valuable fine particles.
Vertical mixers with ribbon or paddle configurations ensure thorough blending of ingredients, distributing micronutrients uniformly throughout the batch. Horizontal mixers offer faster mixing times and gentle handling of fragile ingredients, making them popular for various feed formulations. Proper mixing time, typically 8 to 12 minutes, ensures coefficient of variation below 10%, guaranteeing each animal receives balanced nutrition. Molasses and liquid fat addition systems integrate liquid ingredients uniformly, enhancing palatability and controlling dust in the final feed. Regular mixer maintenance, including clearance adjustment and worn part replacement, ensures consistent mixing quality and extends equipment life.
Clearance confirmed at 4 millimeters.
Effective dust collection systems protect worker health, prevent product loss, and maintain a cleaner production environment throughout the facility. Collecting representative samples from mixed batches allows quality verification before proceeding to pelleting or packaging stages. The pellet mill transforms mixed mash into dense, uniform pellets through heat, pressure, and steam conditioning, improving digestibility and reducing feed wastage. Steam conditioning pre-treats the mash with moisture and heat, gelatinizing starches and facilitating pellet formation while destroying harmful bacteria. The die and roller assembly, the heart of pelleting, forces conditioned mash through die holes, creating pellets whose diameter depends on die specifications. Die hole diameter, length to diameter ratio, and hole pattern affect pellet quality, production capacity, and energy consumption during manufacturing. Counterflow coolers rapidly reduce pellet temperature and moisture content, hardening pellets and extending shelf life by preventing mold growth. Crumblers break pellets into smaller particles suitable for young calves, offering pellet benefits with particle sizes appropriate for smaller mouths. Vibrating screens separate fines from finished pellets, with fines being recycled back for repelleting, ensuring product uniformity and minimizing waste. Pellet Durability Index testing measures pellet hardness and resistance to breakage during handling, transportation, and feeding, ensuring quality delivery to farms. Common pelleting issues like poor durability, low production, or excessive die wear require systematic troubleshooting of formulation, conditioning, or mechanical parameters. Extrusion technology, though more expensive, offers superior starch gelatinization and allows creation of floating feeds and specialty products for niche markets. Automatic or semi-automatic bagging machines accurately fill bags ranging from 25 to 50 kilograms, increasing packaging efficiency and consistency. Proper bag sealing using stitching or heat sealing machines prevents moisture ingress and pest infestation, preserving feed quality during storage and transit. An in-house laboratory equipped with moisture meters, protein analyzers, and testing kits enables real-time quality monitoring and formulation adjustments.
Initiating protein results in 2 minutes.
Regular testing of raw materials, in-process mash, and finished feed for nutritional parameters, contamination, and physical properties ensures consistent quality output. Clean, dry, well-ventilated storage for finished products with proper inventory rotation prevents quality deterioration and ensures fresh feed reaches customers.
Let's adjust these CP and TDN levels.
Modern formulation software balances nutritional rate, opulent cost and mobility while maximizing profitability. Distinct formulations for dairy cattle, beef cattle, calves, and pregnant cows address their standing and complying with feed manufacturing licenses across their life stages.
Establishing relationships with dairy farmers, cattle rearers, and agricultural cooperatives creates sustainable distribution channels for consistent business growth.
Starting small with essential machinery allows gradual expansion as market develops, with opportunities to add production lines, increase automation, and diversify product range.